video is brought to you by Bespoke Post. It's a monthly membership club. They offer home goods, outdoor equipment. They even send live oysters out. So what you do to start it off, you take a quiz. By the answers in your quiz, they match their products to your answers. So they send you cool products every month, but every box is a $70 value, and you only pay a fraction of that cost. So for today's video, I have 3 boxes here. There's 3 things that they sent me that they think I would like. Let's check it out and see what we got. This first kit here is the beam kit. The beam kit is a headlight. Let's see if we can catch a bass at night. This little box here is actually called the forage kit. This is a skinning knife. Everybody knows Kelley, and I like to hunt and fish. I'll definitely be putting this to use this hunting season. It's a cool little knife. Got a nice little carrying case. Put it on your belt. For our third box, we got the brew kit. After a long day of drag racing and stress, you want to have you a beer. I've never made my own beer, but you're definitely going to try it. Each month, they let you know what product they're sending out. And at that point, you got a chance to either keep the product, change the product out, or not even get the product for that month. You can just skip it entirely. So to save 20% on your cool products, you just got to use my promo code Kelley20. That's Kelley 20. Or you can go to bespokepost.com/Kelley20. Take your quiz today and start getting your products coming. Remember, 90% of these products are for locally owned companies right here in the United States. And for me, that means a lot. And lastly, I just want to thank Bespoke Post for sponsoring this video. Terrible.
Yeah. So good, we're riding, man.
What'd you think, man?
What do you think? Did you like the race car? He didn't even care. He's just chilling like a normal day.
See, that's kind of
Used
fun.
to it.
It's a race dog.
Yeah, race dog. Race dog for life.
Perfect. Get there first. Left.